Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make perfect tomato sauce. First, warm olive oil and gently sauté garlic and onion until soft and fragrant. Add chopped ripe tomatoes and a pinch of salt, then stir in a little sugar if the tomatoes are too acidic. Lower the heat and simmer slowly, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens and the flavors meld into a rich, balanced result. Start by assembling your ingredients on the counter so nothing gets forgotten. Chop tomatoes roughly and keep the juices; they carry much of the flavor. Measure oil and use moderate heat to avoid bitter garlic. Taste as you go and adjust salt and acidity, adding a touch of sugar only when needed. Finish with fresh basil or oregano for brightness, and let the sauce rest to allow flavors to harmonize before serving. Quick recommendation: if you love reading while your sauce simmers, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable kitchen reading and recipe storage. It's lightweight, easy to hold with one hand, and bright enough for any counter light, making it perfect for following step-by-step recipes without dirtying your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this video helped you, please subscribe, and now let's get back to the video. Use a wide, heavy pan so the sauce reduces evenly and develops depth. Maintain a gentle simmer rather than a rolling boil to prevent separation and bitterness. Stir gently and scrape the bottom to prevent sticking, and taste periodically to balance salt and acid. For texture, blend partially or fully depending on your preference. A final swirl of butter or olive oil enriches the sauce and helps flavors meld for a silky finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.